What a beautiful day. Typical Saskatchewan weather. When we got to the shop, it was actually sunny and calm. Now it's kind of windy and snowing. So I didn't even know it was gonna snow. All right, I have what I think is a pretty good video idea. It's the Christmas holidays coming up here, and I want to do a video on what you should get a diesel lover for Christmas. You know, maybe you have a sibling or a significant other that's just into, you know, a diesel enthusiast, and I have some ideas for some good gift ideas. I'm gonna start my way with the kind of more expensive one, and then they kind of get cheaper going on, and the last one's actually a pretty cool idea, and I bought one for myself because I was trying to brainstorm like what ideas I could come up with, and I came up with this one, and I actually bought one for myself just because I'm like, why have I not thought of this? This is a great idea. So if you guys enjoy the video, please like it, please subscribe, check out Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. I'm on TikTok too. Also, if you guys have ideas that you think would be good for this video too, just post them in the comments and I'll pin some of the top ones just for other people that are looking for gift ideas for diesel enthusiasts. So anyways, I'm gonna grab the first one. So I don't actually have one in the shop right now, but I'm gonna say an Edge CTS3 monitor is a great thing if you have somebody who just wants to be able to monitor their gauges, check balance rates, clear codes. I'll put like a picture up here as to what they are. If they already have an Edge monitor, then you could go with something like this. This is a EGT, exhaust gas temperature, Pyro. I think these are about 150 bucks or something like that. You can get something like this, and it's a great addition to a CTS3 monitor. The monitor itself is around, I don't know, if Canadian dollars, about, I want to say 650 bucks ish. So it's a little more expensive, but they're an awesome gift idea. And I don't have one on my truck because I have a different tuner in mine, but I've sold lots of them and guys really like them. All right, I'm gonna grab another one here. Another great idea you could do is LED lights. I just have a bunch of random boxes of lights that I've gotten over the years. I don't have any brand preference or anything like that, but LED lights are a great upgrade for your diesel truck. Just my advice is for LED lights, sometimes spending a little bit more money is better than just buying the cheapest ones you can find on Amazon. So that's another idea I have, is the LED lights. Now this one is great for any guy that has diesel or girl. This is fuel additive. So I buy 4+ stuff. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I live by Saskatoon and these are actually made in Saskatoon, so I think that's pretty cool. This is like your standard everyday fuel treatment. This is the same stuff, but it has anti-gel for winter. And this one's actually really cool. This is a turbocharger cleaner. So all of your current diesel trucks nowadays have variable geometry turbochargers. They have moving parts inside of them. And with the soot and stuff rolling through it, they tend to kind of gum up and they can get stuck. And that can be quite a costly expense to pull the turbo and try to clean it. Or in most cases, a guy will just replace the turbo. So this kind of keeps your VGT working good and keeps it, the moving parts free. And yeah, I don't know. It's just, I don't know where you buy this stuff. If you Google search 4+ fuel additive, I'm sure something will come up. I think they do sell it in the States, but it's definitely quite common here in Canada, and it's a great product. And I think each bottle is about, I want to say like 50 bucks or 40 bucks for a bottle, but I mean, this bottle will last you a long time. You don't need to put very much in a tank of fuel. All right, now this one is kind of cool. I actually reached out to this company because I see them all over TikTok and everything, and I said, hey, can you send me one? Because I think it'd be a good idea for this video I'm making. And they did. So Diesel Crate is a company, okay, so they sent me this for free, but I'm not sponsored by them. I just want to be totally transparent with you guys. But I haven't even opened it, so I guess we're gonna open it and see what's in it. But they have, I think it's like clothing. They sell like lights come in here, first aid kits. If you look on their website, there's a whole list of stuff that could be in here. It's pretty cool. When you go to their website, you pick what truck you have. If you have like a Cummins, Power Stroke, or Duramax, pick if you're a male or a female. You pick your shirt size, all that kind of stuff. And then they send you a customized Diesel Crate every month. And I think it costs around 30 bucks or 40 bucks US, something like that. But yeah, I'm going to open this one up and just kind of see what's in it. All right, let's see. Okay, so this one we got hand warmers. We got, oh, that's cool. Turbocharged medium roast coffee. Dead pedal coffee. Never heard of it. But that will be good too. What else we got in this one? Extreme rain. Rain repellent. Alright. That's cool. Okay, so what the... I don't get what this is for. Do you just put this in there and spray it? I don't know. But you got a nozzle. We got a shirt. Oh, that's cool. Exhausted. I like that. This actually feels very good. Like the shirt doesn't feel cheap. It feels very soft. So this, I think this is actually a pretty good quality shirt. So that's cool. Some protein. I love protein, so that's friggin' sweet. And then a sticker. Exhausted. So that's pretty cool. It's fairly cheap for what you get. I mean, your typical shirt costs about what one of these would cost a month. So, and they said, yeah, sometimes they send, you know, knives. I think it said knives. It said flashlights, first aid kits, just a bunch of random stuff. So that would be a cool idea, you know, to get somebody that's into diesel trucks. Now the last one is an idea that I totally forgot about because it seems like they're extinct these days. And I actually found one at the mine where I work underground. And this is what it is. A diesel magazine. This one is actually from, let's see, May 2014. This is Diesel Power. I don't even know if Diesel Power actually makes magazines anymore. So, but when I thought of it, like, what magazine? That's a great idea. I actually looked and I found Diesel World. And they actually had a Black Friday sale when I was looking at it. So I got a 3-year subscription to Diesel World magazine because I'm like at work, like I work underground in a potash mine. You know, we don't have cell signal down there. Sometimes on our breaks and stuff, it gets kind of boring. So I'm like, what better thing to do than get a magazine and read it? So magazine is my cheapest option. And I think a really good option too for somebody because it's kind of nostalgic just being able to read a magazine. But yeah, I used to get like motocross magazines in high school and stuff like that, and this is just, it's nostalgic reading the magazine. So my last idea is get them a magazine subscription. And like I said, I got one to Diesel World. I don't know if Diesel Power makes one. I couldn't find it online. But yeah, just a magazine subscription would be a great gift idea. So those are my gift ideas. Also, I don't know if you guys know this, but I found a company that does ship exhaust and tuners down to the States, so I'll put a link to them in my description in case anybody is interested in getting an exhaust or a tuner to the States. This video is pretty short, there's not much to it. I just wanted to go over a few gift ideas with it being the holiday season. And yeah, check out my Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. I'm on TikTok too. And if you enjoy the video, please like it. It shows me the support and keeps me going. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you again. You want to go halvesies or what?
Yeah, all I've eaten is tater tots today, so
all you ate was tater tots?
Yeah, a whole pack.
Mm.